After you gain your first 100 subscribers, it's actually not that hard to get 1,000. The goal is to achieve an outstanding score of 100, but every time you make a video, ask yourself what you think you can do better. No one can ever have a perfect video. No one on YouTube has a video that they are 100% satisfied with. This is because there is always something you can do better to improve the quality of your videos. It will take an extra hour or even just a minute to edit a video, find more footage, script your videos, just doing something additional every time, and this will allow you to create better videos. And unless you genuinely believe that your video is of the highest quality on YouTube, there will always be something you can do better. This can include color correction, editing, better sound quality, and a variety of other things. This is all part of building your channel, and I'm not even lying. Clickbait is a fantastic approach to increase the number of views on your channel. However, don't clickbait to the point where viewers will watch your video only to leave a negative review. Instead, clickbait to the point where your goal is to actually get viewers to click on your video. Once they do, make sure you don't give them an excuse not to watch your video. What I'm trying to say is that the most popular YouTube channels are also using clickbait to get views, and everyone knows that even Mr. Beast uses clickbait. Because it's okay for everyone to clickbait these days, it's how you get views. As long as you can continue to provide quality content after the viewer clicks on the video. Also, if any of you think that you would be interested in a video on how to use clickbait correctly, please let me know so that I can likely get started on working on it quickly. But yeah, moving on to the next piece of advice, which I know you guys will truly dislike me for saying. But just remember to always be honest before clicking off of a video to avoid missing the advice that every single YouTuber ever gives. Really give it some thought. Every major YouTuber has a schedule for their uploads. Some upload every day, whereas others upload on a regular basis, and some of them upload once a week. Just take action to ensure that you're consistently providing content to potential viewers. In sincerity, I don't want to hear that following a schedule is too difficult. For someone like Logan Paul, who is able to upload daily despite having busy lives, I myself uploaded frequently, attended college and high school, and worked a job. Anyone can do it. All they need to do is make time for it and focus on their priorities.
We don't care.
I mentioned earlier that Logan Paul was an actor with busy schedules. If they can manage it, so can you. I understand that creating a video can be quite difficult, so I'll make a video on my channel explaining how to actually think of them in case you want to check it out. You don't have to upload every day, but you should be consistent. When you look at me, I choose to upload content once a week or sometimes twice a week. Just follow a schedule that's better than your previous schedule, and like I mentioned earlier, try to find ways to make your content even better than it was in your previous videos. So the next advice, by the time you reach 100 subscribers, you should have already identified your niche and the kind of content you want to post. At first, it could be gaming pranks, food videos, tutorials, or recommendations. That's exactly what you should focus on doing as soon as you can, because you'll rank well in search results and be able to share your content with more people that way. Essentially, what I'm saying is that popular subjects are what will drive huge growth for YouTubers these days. If a new product is released or a significant event occurs in the news, people will talk about it on social media and even search for videos about it on YouTube. If you were among the first to upload a video about the topic, your channel will appear when they search for it on YouTube. It's that simple. And that's how you can use a search engine algorithm to work in your favor. Finally, I would like to suggest that you tag your videos, which is something I didn't mention. It's true that tagging is what will make your video appear at the top of search results. Even if you create the greatest video ever, if you don't take it seriously, it may never be seen by anybody and you'll never get your big break on YouTube. I promise it's not that hard to reach 100 subscribers. If you want me to review your channel, simply follow me on Twitter. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, happy YouTubing.